Tired of hunting through emails for attachments? I'll show you how to automatically save them straight into a Teams channel with Power Automate. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create the flow. Go to Power Automate, click Create, then type a flow. Choose Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, search for the trigger when a new email arrives, and click Create. Step 2. Configure the trigger. The flow should only run when an email actually contains a file. This prevents the flow from running unnecessarily on every single email. So set Include Attachments and only with attachments both to Yes. Step 3. Add a condition. Add a condition action to check if the email has attachments. Set the condition to check if has attachments is equal to true. This keeps the flow safe, since attachments will only be processed in the true branch. Step 4. Add apply to each in the true branch. Inside the true branch, add an apply to each action and select attachments as the input. This will let the flow loop through every attachment in the email, even if there is more than one. Step 5. Create the file in the Teams channel. Inside the apply to each, add the create file action from SharePoint. Set the site address to the Microsoft Teams SharePoint site. You can find this by opening the channel in SharePoint. Set the folder path to shared documents, followed by the channel name, for example General. Set the file name to the attachment name and the file content as shown on screen, so the attachment is converted correctly before it is saved. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Save the flow and send yourself a test email with an attachment. Check the Teams Channel Files tab to confirm the attachment was saved automatically. That's it. You now have a working flow that automatically saves email attachments straight into a Teams channel. If this helped you, please give the video a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.